Okay. Now, from yesterday, I called out more or less a dissonance on the Eurjpy market. Why did I call that out? Because if you see, the daily structure is pushing to the upside. Okay, no, sorry, let me rephrase that. The daily momentum is pushing bullish, but the 4 hour structure is pushing bearish. And as you can see, we're more or less still hovering around this region. Okay. Now, we're coming into the end of the week, and if you look at the weekly time frame, we can clearly see the market's making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, we made a new higher high. Okay, so potentially we can make a new higher low, but it will more or less be okay better if we close above 170 because 170 is a very reactive area when it comes to Euro JPY. Now on the daily time frame, do, 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 do. Oh fuck, my Wi-Fi is messing up right now. Do, 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 do. Okay, okay, that's right. So now back to on the daily, we can clearly see that the daily is pushing to the upside. Okay, momentum wise, okay, but the structure on the 4 hourly is more or less still, as you can see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we have all the way up here to retrace in a standard market type, market structure type setup. So something like this is what's going on. We're still below this low. Okay, so to successfully break above the lower high and then make a new higher low, or more or less in the buyer's market. So right here, as you can see, we are more or less still below this lower low area and lower high area, excuse me. We've retested it once, twice, multiple times. We've seen a range type setup around this region. So the best thing to do is just to wait, okay, for the daily to break above the area. Okay, for the 4 hourly to make new structural high. Okay, so if I can see a new high, preferably above 170, I'll be looking for price to come back into 170 and then looking to go long from there. Okay, but invariably, if I still see if the momentum still stays like this and the daily candle shows me a bearish type setup, it's still a valid downtrend. So I would be looking to go short. But with the current momentum in the market, we'll clearly see that we're pushing to the upside, but the market hasn't yet cleared recent highs. So the best thing to do now is to wait, okay, and then see how this pair plays out today, okay, and see how we're going to end for the day, and also not forgetting the weekly time frame, which is more or less looking like it's going to close as a bullish engulfing type setup. So on the daily time frame, we're pushing to the upside, bullish buying momentum. On the 4 hours time frame, we're seeing bearish structure. So the dissonance will still have dissonance in the market, but right now the market is more or less looking to make a direction since we have started trading above 100% area on the Fibonacci on the 4 hour time frame. So let's just wait to see if we get that new high and then higher low above 170, because if price rejects 170 one more time, as you can see from what I called out here, the market could still see a sharp decline. Okay, so more or less you should be looking out for the market above 170 to go long. So let's see how this one plays out, guys, and I will check back with you guys tomorrow.